Hi guys, Bobby here. Today I'm going to make some lactation cookies. So we just had a son a couple weeks back, and with my wife nursing, with our previous son we made lactation cookies. It's pretty easy to do, and these turn out more like lactation bars. But I'll kind of give you a quick peek of what's going on and how I make them and how I put them together. And they don't take too long to make. And of course, like always, these are always gluten-free. So take a peek. This is where my nice list of ingredients, and I'll have a list of ingredients in the description below as well. These are pretty simple, so I'm going to set the camera down and start putting stuff together. Stick this in a 350-degree oven for 350 for, say, about 15 to 20 minutes. And then at that point I'll come back and we'll take a look at them and see how they turned out. Alright guys, I just pulled them out of the oven. I'm going to show you how they turned out, and all you're going to do when you get them out of the oven is just cut them up and serve. But I'm just going to let them cool before I do that. So ready to go, and what my wife says, just eat 2 of them a day. Any more than that, it'll be a little bit much. They should be pretty good for you. Like always, the recipe description Everything that I've done will be in the description, how long, all items. Have a good day. See you next time.